Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 1998 Kenner starting lineup. Football, NFL, Denver Broncos, Terrell Davis. Number 30, running back. Here's your proof of purchase right there. Some things that's on the back of the package. And it's not bad condition at all. This one came from Lewis also. Let's get it open, see how cool it is. Let's get that card out first. Nice gentle lift out. Terrell Davis. Exclusive Kenner starting lineup card, which is always cool. You would think these be worth way more, since it's the only card of them like this. Let's see, we'll put that right there. Let's get him out of the package. Always open up like that because the helmet likes to roll around. It's never really in totally secure. Usually have 4 moving parts on the football. We have, hear that sticking, waist. We'll line up the line, the blue line right there. We have shoulder, left and right. No elbow movement. And we have neck. So 4 moving parts. Looks like some color changing. This is white. And this is starting to get like an off-white. Probably starting to yellow. Another 10 years and this will probably have yellow. Made in China. Stands perfectly. Here's the helmet. Denver Broncos. New logo. When I say new, I mean over the last 20-something years. It's not the old vintage logo with the snorting head. I like that one. It does fit. It's a little loose for my likings, but it fits. Does it stay on? It does. It does. That's, oh, it almost comes off. I like them to stay on. I appreciate everybody for tuning in and checking out Terrell Davis of the Denver Broncos. 1998 Kenner starting lineup. I appreciate everybody in the Kenner group. I've been getting a lot of interest in the Kenner starting lineups that I'm opening. Usually it's Hot Wheels. But I have a passion for the Kenner starting lineups, and especially football. Boxers are my favorite. There's a Rocky Marciano right there. Boxing is my favorite, though. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and until next time, T10 out.